It's Kimberlee Foster from Back Office Diva. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use color coding to keep your calendar, Google Calendar, organized. So to begin with, you want to create an event. So double click at the time you want to create the event and type in, let's say it's a personal event. You change whatever details you need to throughout here, but what we're going to focus on is right here where the color drop-down menu is. Okay, so you've got lots of options here. I suggest that you use colors that are contrasting. The reason being is that when you open up your calendar, you can see at a glance what's personal and what's business. All right. So let's say personal events are going to be green. All right. Then you want to make sure you save it. And there you go. Now let's go down. Let's say you've got a client event, a client meeting in the afternoon. So you're going to go, after you fill in all the other details that you need here, then you go to the drop-down menu again and choose another color. Now, I recommend that you choose something that's contrasting, okay? So let's take red and see how that looks. You click save and wow, yeah, they're very contrasting. So one other thing to remember about these event codes is that you can use them for anything in your life. Like I use different colors for medical appointments, for workout times, for dinner out or social engagements with friends. And also remember that you can change these colors on your mobile device as well. I think you just double click or double tap on the event and it will show the color options. Okay, so basically that's it. Just remember that you can use color codings for any other category in your life. Just make sure you keep a note of what they are, or just one color for personal and one color for business. Okay, so if you have any questions or if you want a video on anything else in Google Calendar to help you stay organized, pop me an email. I'm at Kimberlee@backofficediva.com, and Kimberlee is spelled with 2 E's at the end. Okay, so good luck, have fun, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.